Hey you guys, today is National French Toast Day. So I am making a keto version of French toast cups. I have my eggs, I have my keto bread. I have been finding this at all the grocery stores lately. So it's very common. Monk fruit sweetener, milk, cinnamon, and some vanilla. These are so easy, so simple. So I am going to just take my bread and I'm going to cut it into small pieces for each little French toast cup. So I'm going to use about 6 slices, a little less than half of the loaf. I'm just going to dice it into small squares and then put it aside in my bowl. So there's lots of different kinds of keto breads now. This one was at the grocery store. It's just a white bread. You can use regular bread, but I wanted to keep this recipe keto friendly. If you are on keto, this bread is really great. It's really great for sandwiches also, but really great for breakfast casseroles, French toast cups, and all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to make the rest of the mixture. I'm going to use 4 eggs, and I'm going to use, I have milk, monk fruit sweetener, vanilla, and cinnamon. So I'm just going to mix everything together in my bowl, and then it will be ready to go on to the bread for the French toast cups. So I have my favorite silicone liners. These are one of my favorite items that I have. I make tons of muffins in these, egg cups. They are perfect for these French toast cups. I just love how colorful they are, and I don't have to use cooking spray because they're silicone and they're just really easy to clean. So these are really great. I will link them. I got them on Amazon, of course, so I'll put a link to them in the description box if you want to check them out. So I'm going to add in my pieces of bread into each cup. So I'm going to fill it pretty much all the way up, and then once that's done, I'm going to add in the egg mixture. All right, so I'm going to cook these in the oven, have it preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to cook these for about 15 minutes, and then they will be all ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe for National French Toast Day. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.